The E21 error code is one of the most common washing machine malfunctions you'll encounter. This error specifically indicates a drainage system failure that prevents your washing machine from properly expelling water. This error primarily affects front-loading washing machines from major European manufacturers including Bosch, Siemens, Neff, and Gaggenau. These brands share similar drainage system designs. The E21 error occurs when the washing machine cannot expel water within the standard drain cycle time of 10 to 15 minutes. The machine's control board monitors this process and triggers the error when drainage fails. Understanding the root causes of E21 errors is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Based on 2025 data analysis, there are 4 primary causes with distinct occurrence rates. The most common cause, accounting for 60% of all E21 errors, is a blocked drain filter. This occurs when lint, coins, small objects, and fabric fibers accumulate over time. Drain hose problems represent 25% of E21 errors. These include kinks, clogs, or improper installation height that prevent proper water flow. Drain pump malfunctions account for 10% of cases. This typically involves motor failure or impeller damage, usually occurring in machines over 8 years old. Finally, plumbing problems represent the remaining 5% of E21 errors. These involve household drain blockages or sewer line issues beyond the washing machine itself. Modern washing machines have become more sensitive to drainage issues, making the E21 error more common than in previous generations. However, this increased sensitivity also makes the error easier to diagnose and resolve through systematic troubleshooting. Before attempting any repairs, safety is paramount. First, power off your washing machine completely and unplug it from the electrical outlet. This prevents any electrical hazards during the repair process. Next, you need to remove any standing water from the drum. Most modern washing machines have an emergency drain feature, usually a small hose or drain plug at the bottom front. If not available, you can manually bail out the water using a container. Now we'll clean the drain filter, which is the most common cause of E21 errors. The filter is located behind a small access door at the bottom front of your washing machine. Open this door to access the filter. Remove the filter by turning it counterclockwise. Be prepared for some water to spill out. Clean the filter thoroughly under running water with a soft brush, removing all lint, debris, and foreign objects. Also check the rubber seals for any damage. Next, examine the drain hose at the rear of the machine. Check for kinks, clogs, or improper installation height. The optimal drain height should be between 24 and 39 inches from the floor level. If you find blockages, disconnect the hose and flush it with hot water. If cleaning the filter and checking the drain hose doesn't resolve the E21 error, the drain pump itself may be faulty. This requires professional assessment and potentially replacement. The drain pump typically lasts 8 to 12 years with proper maintenance. Prevention is key to avoiding future E21 errors. Regular monthly filter cleaning can reduce these errors by up to 80%. Additionally, use mesh laundry bags for small items, avoid overloading, and schedule annual professional maintenance for machines over 5 years old.